The investigation into the violent clashes in Ballari has widened, with police arresting 26 people in connection with the incident that erupted on 1st January over the erection of a banner for the unveiling of a Valmiki statue. One person was killed by gunfire during the violence, which stemmed from disputes between supporters of Congress MLA Nara Bharat Reddy and BJP MLA G. Janardhan Reddy over banners and buntings. According to police, 10 Congress workers and 11 BJP workers are among those arrested. All accused were taken into custody after undergoing mandatory medical examinations as part of arrest procedures. 6 separate cases have been registered at the Brucepet police station in connection with the clashes. Karnataka Home Minister G. Parameshwara stated that the government is actively considering handing over the investigation to the Criminal Investigation Department or constituting a special investigation team. He reiterated that preliminary findings suggest the firing did not originate from police weapons and indicated that strict action would follow if the involvement of private gunmen was established. Police are also examining whether firearms or hand grenades were used during the violence. 2 private gunmen identified as Baljit Singh and Guru Charan have been detained as part of the ongoing probe. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar said that the Congress fact-finding committee, headed by former Minister H.M. Revanna, has gathered both formal and informal information relevant to the case.